Hello and welcome to BotPenguin. So in today's video, I'm going to explain how you can create a role under team section and everything about the assign permissions. So as you can see, this is the team section. Click on roles. So these 4 rows that you see here, they are by default provided by BotPenguin. So if you want, you can edit them. You can keep them as it is, or you can delete them and create new roles for your business. So I'm letting you know how you can create a new role. So let's click on create role. Give a name to the role. For example, let's give this name test role. Give a description. This is for your internal reference so that whoever looks at this role and reads the description, he knows what kind of access permissions are there. Alright, so the next step is assign permissions. So if you look carefully, these are all the modules that the BotPenguin dashboard has. And as the admin, you have the option of selecting the permissions that you want to give to this particular role. For example, a role is for a customer support agent. He would be needing the access to most of the inbox part, and other things he might not need the access. So in that case, what you can do is you can select the module of inbox, like inbox segments, inbox chats, contacts, inbox orders, inbox contacts, inbox chats. So I think these would be enough for a customer support agent. If you're not able to understand any module that you see here, you can refer the notes that are provided here. It will tell you what all access can be provided for this module. For example, let's read about this subscriptions plan or WhatsApp plan. Access to accounts current subscribed plan details. Also gives read-only access to subscriptions or billing details. So you see now, if you have read the notes, you know what kind of access permissions are discussed here. Alright. So likewise, you can refer all the notes that are provided here. For all of these, you can provide these 3 roles: read, write or delete. So if you select write, read will be selected by default, and same is the case with delete. If you select delete, read will be selected by default. So by these names, read, write and delete, you must have got the idea what they does, right? Read is only to read the contents, whatever is there in this module. Write is you can edit also, and delete is you can delete also. So if you select delete and you deselect the write, so what this means is you can read and you can delete anything from this module, but you won't be able to edit it. So this is how the assign permissions work. So once you have selected these assign permissions for a role, then what you can do is you can click on create role and a role would be created. So this is the role that I have just created, and now you can assign this role to any of the team member. And that's it for today's video.